Alright guys, so do not mind the 250 because I did some self-activation earlier today. By the time I'm filming this, February 10th, 2024. But we're going to be talking about something way worse than all the other events from July, including the July 20th events. Now you guys might be saying, oh, what type of event must be worse than all the other events like the July 12th or 11th event that caused a tornado watch, which was the last tornado watch from DTX of the year? Or the July 20th events? Well, I'm glad you asked that. July 26, 2023. The month is coming close to ending, and Mother Nature thought, hey, why not end it with one more severe weather event? And that's exactly what happened. But this just wasn't like any other severe weather events from July, I should say. It's moving like right towards me. Oh my gosh.
80 miles per hour wind gusts.
Oh my gosh.
Source radar indicating.
I'm freaking out, bro.
Flying debris will be dangerous.
This storm is gonna be heading towards me.
Mobile homes will be heavily damaged.
Because there might not have been any tornado warnings I've captured, but there have been a lot more alerts in this compilation, that's for sure. Especially some alerts I've gotten from WNG647 and KHB97, along with some other alerts, and let's just say some power flickers occurred during this event. And yeah, this was actually a sight to behold from Southeast Michigan. It might not have been as worse as the August 24th event, which caused a PDS tornado warning for Livingston County, which was the first ever PDS tornado warning I've ever caught in my entire life. No!
A confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located in Livingston, Oregon Fowlerville, moving at 40 miles per hour.
What?
This is a particularly dangerous situation.
No! No way! No way!
Damaging tornado.
Or the 2 tornado warnings for Wayne County, which we have not gotten a tornado warning since September 25th, 2018. No! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Weather Service Control. Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Wayne County in southeastern Michigan, northeastern Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan until 11 p.m.
This event still probably beats all the July events, especially the June events from Southeast Michigan, but still does not beat how Ohio got their June 15, 2023 event worse than us, that's for sure. But doesn't matter, because what we're about to see is Mother Nature's outrage from July 26th. What do you guys say? Are you ready to experience a whole new level of July severe weather for Southeast Michigan? Because I know I am. But you viewers out there watching this right now, do you think you are ready? Because I don't think you are, because this event will be a pretty long one, I will say. So yeah, enjoy. You better enjoy. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here goes Sealy with SBA product.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm warning. Conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. For weather radio, local radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is the weather radio. All hazards. Station keys. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a special alert.
Quickly, double header.
Northwest of Low Pier to 30 nautical miles west of North Cape, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts.
I got two warnings to catch right now. The marine warning and an SVR from CLE and DTX.
Significant structural damage.
Wait, is it for Michigan Waters Lake Erie?
The National Weather.
Yeah, it is. Why is it not going off? I don't know why this is not going off. Even though it's for Michigan Waters Lake Erie and they serve that as a marine area. So I don't know why it's not going off. They'll probably turn after this, but I'll just wait in the room for now.
2 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located.
Oh, now it's damaged like considerable for Washtenaw.
7 miles south of Dexter to 6 miles southwest of Salem, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to.
WG647 has not told the marine warning yet, but I'm still waiting for it.
Severe storms will be near Ann Arbor and Milano.
So I'm going to keep recording right now until they issue it.
And Willis around 3:05 p.m.
And yeah, my early V5 went off, so.
Salem around 3:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Hudson Mills, Pittsfield Township, Whitaker, Linden Township, Hudson Mills Metro Park, Bridgewater, Delhi Mills, Pleasant Lake, Martin Hills, and Pinckney State Recreation Area. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties: Washtenaw, Michigan.
I'll just leave it for now.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fulton County in northwestern Ohio until 3:30 p.m. Radar indicated.
The Washtenaw warning's not destructive.
Damage to
No.
roofs, siding, and trees.
No.
Severe thunderstorm will be near. Maybe around 3:05 p.m. Maybe around 3:10 p.m.
No.
Carlton around 3:20 p.m. Flat Rock around 3:30 p.m.
Bro.
Trenton around 3:35
It's
p.m.
destructive. Oh my
Other
gosh.
locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Newport, Cone, Astral Beach,
That's gonna be coming
South
towards
Rockwood,
me.
Woodland Beach, Stony Point,
Oh my
Tuvalu,
gosh.
Ardalia, and Schofield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been
I'm about to freak out right
4
now.
p.m. for the following county: Monroe, Michigan.
Alright, tornado warning expired for Ingham County. Is it because it moved out or it's
A
weakened?
severe thunderstorm
Of course,
warning remains
it's
in effect
moved.
until
Oh,
3:30
no, it's
p.m. for
weakened.
Washtenaw County. At 2:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line.
No. It's moving like right towards me.
Destructive storms for Dexter and Ann Arbor.
Oh my gosh.
80 miles per hour wind gusts.
Oh my gosh.
Source, radar indicated.
I'm freaking out, bro.
Flying debris will be dangerous.
This storm is gonna be heading towards me.
Mobile homes
This.
will be heavily damaged.
Wait, Washington County's like on the west of me, and everybody knows that a storm that's in Washington County will move towards my county,
Storms will be near. Dewsboro around 3:05 p.m.
which means that same thing will happen with this storm.
Lake around 3:10 p.m. Salem around 3:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Hudson Mills, Pittsfield Township, River, Linden Township, Hudson Mills Metro Park, Bridgewater, Delhi Hills, Pleasant Lake, Martin Hills, and Pinckney State Recreation
Okay,
Area. Repeating.
I'm opening up Gear Level 3 real quick.
Remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. for the following county. Washtenaw,
Oh my gosh. Is it for my county? Is it for my county? It is for my county.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Okay, it's not destructive though.
until 4 p.m.
It's not destructive, so that's good. It's not destructive.
Storms were located along a line extending
I
from
thought it would have been
Newton
destructive,
to Milan,
but no.
moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near. Belleville around 3:15 p.m.
Is my city under it, or is it
Kenton and
just...
Northville around 3:20 p.m.
Oh, yep. Entirety of Wayne County's under it.
Romulus and Flat Rock around 3:25 p.m.
Yeah, entirety of Wayne County's under it.
Wyandotte, Trenton and Greenfield Village around
So, yeah,
3:30
Dearborn's
p.m.
gonna be under it.
Southfield, Detroit and Dearborn around 3:35 p.m. Downtown Detroit and Belle Isle around 3:40 p.m. Grosse Grant around 3:45 p.m.
I cannot get that.
Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Melvindale, Gibraltar, New Boston, Rockwood, Harper Woods, Westland, Grosse Grant Shores, Ecorse, Grosse Grant Woods, and Woodhaven. People attending Comerica Park and the Aretha Franklin Amphitheater should seek safe shelter immediately. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Wayne, Michigan.
This is about to be hectic. Okay.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until
Now,
3:30 p.m. for
I am just hoping this storm does not turn destructive, just like the Washington one.
thunderstorms were located along.
Alright guys, so I'm outside, because you know, whenever I'm outside during this, it usually means storm surge or whatever, and my dog won't start barking because of the UPS person that was just like right there, even though it wasn't even for us. I'm hoping the sirens will not go off like they did on the July 20th event. So yeah, if they do, then that's gonna be pretty scary.
Severe storms will be near Salem around 3:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Hudson Mills, Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. for the following county. Severe
Got a warning.
The Weather Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Oakland County in southeastern Michigan until 4:15 p.m. At 3:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pinckney to near Whitmore Lake to near Ypsilanti, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour.
That would be a 20 mile.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
I brought an extra battery out just in case the battery for this camera starts to die.
Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be
Probably won't be on
South
for
Lyon around 3:20 p.m.
too long. Because you know I'm not trying to get hit by a storm. Just recording some storm
Around
footage.
3:30 p.m. Holly and West Bloomfield around 3:35 p.m. Sheffield, Royal Oak, Birmingham, Detroit Zoo and Clark around
Just me,
3:40
Boulder.
p.m. Troy, Pontiac, and Ortonville around 3:45 p.m. Oxford and Rochester around 3:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Franklin, Eagle Harbor, Waterford, Orchard Lake, Holly State Recreation Area, Commerce, Rose Center, Lathrop Village, Auburn Hills, and Bingham Farms.
Oh, never mind.
People attending festivals
I just fixed myself.
and Pine Mountain Music Theater should keep safe shelter and
What's this? Oh, my one.
until 4:15 p.m. for the following
Is it
county.
for
Oakland, Michigan.
GTX? Yep.
Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs.
Oh.
Until 4:45 p.m. until 7 p.m. this evening. Rest of today, showers and sun.
Oh, no, it's just the Marine one and they were airing. Because they forgot to air it. Because we're pretty late on it.
Possible. Upper 80s. South
That would have been a new one.
per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Source, chance of rain 80%. Impact, heat index readings, heat index values up to 90. Mostly cloudy outside and suddenly highway thunderstorms likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near North Cape around 3:35. North Pier around 3:40 p.m. Old Harbor of Refuge, Monroe Harbor, Elizabeth Park Marina, Gross Eland to Gross.
Here comes some of the winds. Let me check my camera's battery. Alright.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. for Monroe County.
They just interrupted it.
Severe
What?
thunderstorms were located
They
along
just
the line
interrupted the warning.
around to Petersburg to Ottawa Lake, moving east at 45
I
miles
checked it,
per hour.
they literally just interrupted the
Hazard,
warning.
60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar
They
indicated.
did not.
Impact,
They
expect
did
damage to
not.
roofs, siding, and trees. These severe storms
They did the same thing that they did. They literally did the same thing that Case 53 did on July 24th, like 2 years ago.
Here around 3:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by
I don't have footage for what happened 2 years ago on July 24th, but Detroit to the WX
South
does.
Rockwood, Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Sumarmia, Azalea, and Schofield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. for the following county, Monroe, Michigan. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a special marine warning for Lake St. Clair, Detroit River, Michigan waters of Lake Erie until 4:45 p.m. At 2:50 p.m., severe
This is also
thunderstorms were
pretty
located
ironic,
along a
considering
line
that
extending
literally
from 44
from the
nautical
July
miles
24th
northwest of
event,
Wyandotte to 29 nautical miles northwest of Lapeer to 30 nautical miles west of North Cape,
They're airing this
moving east
warning
at 40
like
knots.
pretty late too.
Hazard,
And they
wind gusts
interrupted
in
it,
excess
just like
of
on the
50
July
knots.
24th event.
For the following areas, Lake St. Clair, Detroit River, Michigan
Yeah,
waters of
there's
Lake
no
Erie
way they're gonna
at
add it on
3:14
for this
p.m.
morning.
Severe thunderstorms were
Because look at what
located
they're
along a
doing.
line extending from 45 nautical miles northwest of the Ambassador Bridge to 12
I caught them
nautical miles
lacking,
west of
bro.
Wyandotte to
I
8
caught them
nautical miles
lacking,
west of
bro.
Lapeer, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50
Let's
knots.
put the kickstand up on this. Oh, yeah, there's also thunder.
Impact. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in
Well,
suddenly
I
high
caught them
waves.
lagging when
Severe
they literally
thunderstorms will be near
interrupted the warning 2
around
times now.
3:25 p.m.
What?
Old Harbor of
This is like my
Refuge,
second
Elizabeth
time
Park Marina,
catching
and Gross Eel around
an
3:30
office
p.m.
interrupting a
Monroe
warning.
Harbor,
Well,
Wyandotte, and Detroit Beach
technically
around
a
3:35
DTX
p.m.
station interrupting a
The
warning.
Ambassador Bridge, Stony Point, and Woodland Beach around 3:40 p.m. Detroit River Light, Belle Island Estrel Beach around 3:45 p.m.
There's no
Rock
way.
Lake around 3:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by thunderstorms include Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Gibraltar, Estrel Beach, and Detroit
There's no
Beach.
way they just interrupted the
Lake
warning.
Harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. for eastern Fulton County.
Yeah, it's safe to say that they're definitely not gonna have any
The storm was located winds at 50 miles per hour.
I think it's safe to say that they're not going to add the ELM teams. Because this thing is definitely over. Because this warning definitely exceeded 2 minutes. Not the marine warning, but you know, them interrupting it makes it exceed 2 minutes.
Wildcat, Swanson, Delta, Metamora, Rayleigh,
I don't know if it's making it exceed. I don't know if the interruptions make it exceed 2 minutes because it's not making ELM time over, or just because you know it's interrupting, you know?
In effect until 3:30 p.m. for the following county.
They're gonna act like nothing happened.
Here is the forecast for southeast lower Michigan.
And they're not even gonna air the marine warning
Your
again.
thunderstorm watch 551 in effect until 7 p.m.
They're not even gonna air the warning again.
Today, showers and thunderstorms.
They're just gonna think that they're just gonna think nothing happened. Yeah, bro, I caught you laughing. Bro. I saw you interrupt the warning.
Up to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%.
There's no way you can turn that back to
in the lower 90s.
I saw you interrupt
Mostly
it.
cloudy with showers, likely intermittent thunderstorms in the evening. Then partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Thunderstorms with heavy severe
But whatever.
thunderstorms may
Got them walking though.
close in the upper 60s.
Alright guys, I'm gonna start recording again now because you know, yeah. More winds are coming in and yeah. I can still hear some thunder. Like I said, I hope the sirens do not go off again like they did last time in the July 20th event. I'll play a clip right now. Yeah. I think this thing's trying to pick up another station because there's no way static could be normal to sound like that. It definitely picked up another station. I can just hear like I don't know what station's picking up, but it has to be a nearby station at least. That is on channel 3. I'll probably get the same activity too, I don't know.
Up to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 60% in the lower 90s. Thursday, partly cloudy in the
I can hear some thunder, but
upper thunderstorms in the evening. Partly cloudy with miles per hour. Showers and thunderstorms after midnight.
But yeah, who would sound off the tornado siren for like 2 times during the month just during a warning, even though there's not even a tornado warning or any rotation or whatever. I don't know. Trying to see if Jupiter so far I won. Because I don't know. So,
Index values in the upper 90s. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms likely mainly in the evening.
and yeah, that tree branch is still there across the street from the July 20th event. The branch that was like right there, it got picked up, luckily, so yeah, that's not a problem anymore. I did want to use it in a video though, but it doesn't really matter now. Because you know, another foe is approaching. It's about to start raining, I just know it. I thought I felt a tiny raindrop, but no.
Thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. for Livingston County.
Okay.
At 3:18 p.m.
Thought this was the Washington warning. I was about to see if they downgraded it or not. Or worse, upgrade the winds more. If they did, that would be nightmare fuel for Washington. But what is that? You guys see that, bro? It's just like floating around in the wind. That white thing over there? I don't even know what that is, but it's just floating around.
Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Island Lake State Recreation Area.
There's thunder. I still have my extra cannon battery for this camcorder. No new warnings yet.
Severe thunderstorm watch 551 in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. Rest of today, showers and thunderstorms.
I can hear more thunder. Oh my god, bro. My dog's trying to sniff at the door. Stop it, Boulder!
At Southwest Kansas, severe thunderstorms were located along
Got Boulder lacking now.
7 miles
I don't even know why I keep saying that to them.
northwest of Delta 2 engineered values up to 950 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Storms likely at source. Some thunderstorms may be severe with heavy rainfall. Then some thunderstorms may be severe. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Southwest 5 to 10 miles.
I'm just waiting to hear that thing go off again, the 120,
60%.
for a warning.
Thursday, partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Highs in the upper 80s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Oh, let's go over there. There's a dark cloud over there.
And now the forecast for the Ann Arbor and Dakota vicinities.
Yeah, there's like a dark cloud over there. That's probably where the storm's coming from, but I don't know.
West of today.
Could be coming from there, or like I said, over there or over there.
Heavy rainfall. Locally heavy rainfall possible.
To be honest, I don't know. Could be coming from any type of direction, no matter what. Could be coming from south, southwest.
Chance of rain 80%.
Or, yep, there's more thunder.
Tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms likely in the evening. Then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe with heavy rainfall. Then some thunderstorms may be severe. Lows around 70. Southwest winds 5 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour.
Bro, I can see my sister playing some Zelda on the TV in the living room,
Highs in the
on
upper
her
80s.
Switch.
West winds 5 to 10 miles.
I don't know if she bought the new Zelda game yet, Tears of the Kingdom, or if she just
Also,
playing
the forecast
Breath of the
for
Wild,
Lenawee and
the
Monroe
old
counties.
game,
Severe
when we
thunderstorm
first
watch
got the
551 in
Because
effect until 7
when we got the
p.m.
Switch, it
this
came with
evening.
Mario
West
Odyssey
of today,
and, yeah,
showers
Breath of
and
the Wild.
thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe with
What the heck is this?
highs in the upper 80s. Southwest
Try not to throw
winds
this.
15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles.
Yep, it's getting darker.
Rain 80%.
Definitely not good for this environment.
Tonight, mostly cloudy with showers likely. Of thunderstorms in the evening. Then partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. A severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lenawee County will expire at 3:30
Alright.
p.m.
Weekend or
Which
move?
prompted the warning have moved out of the area.
Oh, yep.
Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire.
I
A severe thunderstorm
was guessing that was going to be expired because of that, because, you know, yeah, it's in Monroe.
Repeating, the severe thunderstorm warning
Has been allowed to expire for Monroe County.
Lenawee, Michigan.
Oh, no, Lenawee. My bad.
Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs.
I got both of them mixed up.
Thunderstorm watch 551 in effect until 7 p.m.
Until I forgot that, you know, Monroe was in the warning. Lenawee is no longer in the warning.
Some thunderstorms may be severe with heavy rainfall.
Why are there
Locally
people
heavy
outside?
rainfall possible.
Well,
Highs in the
kids,
upper 80s.
pretty much.
Southwest
Oh, yeah, I'm not a
10
kid, I'm 13, so I'm not even a kid anymore. Oh, look at that dark cloud. Look at that dark cloud. Okay, yeah, we got the storm approaching us now, so...
Mostly cloudy.
Alright,
Showers and
I'm gonna hurry up and
thunderstorms
switch
likely in the
batteries
evening.
before
A slight
the
chance of thunderstorms
rain starts rolling in,
tonight.
because, you know, the rain will start rolling in, like, during the storm, so... I'm gonna hurry up and switch batteries, because this battery is at, like, 1 bar. So, yeah, hold on, let me...